Hello, my friends. Hello, my friends. It's February the 8th, and we have a lot to talk about. We have Bitcoin news, we have Elon Musk news. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I am A to Z investor with A to Z Investor. We invest in cryptos, Forex, stocks, real estate. When you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get exclusive Bitcoin news, altcoin news, technical analysis, forecast for the best cryptos to buy based on the latest data. What are we going to talk about today? What are we going to talk about today? We're going to talk about, yes, Elon Musk. Elon Musk Tesla has invested 1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Did you hear me? Billion into Bitcoin. And we're going to talk about Bitcoin bullish is breaking the 40,000. So 40,000 now is a support. Yes, it is running. It is now a support. And we're going to look at the market cap, what's currently going on, the rankings. We're going to, let me click on one second. Let me click on the rankings and show you what Bitcoin is doing currently right now. Woo! Market cap of Bitcoin, 809 billion, where Elon Musk has a billion. So, now, before I start, please, people, subscribe to our channel and we'll tell you our watch list for the week. We always have a watch list for the week that we share with you throughout the video. Now, what I'm going to talk about, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. So please subscribe and let's talk. Elon Musk, Tesla has invested 1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Look at his smile. Look at his smile. So, listen, he is the richest man in the world. So if he's doing it, you have to get into it. That's what I think. I mean, I follow the money. So, thereafter, we invested in aggregate 1.5 billion in Bitcoin under this policy and may acquire and hold digital assets from time to time or long term. Moreover, we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the future, subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis, which may or may not liquidate upon receipt. It said, the story is breaking and will be updated shortly. It is breaking crypto news. Breaking news, breaking news. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bullish. We are in February 8th. It is bullish. I see the $50,000 mark. We will do a technical analysis on that. Bitcoin is bullish. Woo, it is running, people. It is running. It is running. Bullish. Weekend momentum. See Bitcoin surpass 40,000 as altcoins take a beating. Not really. I wouldn't say that. Altcoin is moving too. Everything is moving. So this weekend is not a commonplace for Bitcoin to surge in price. However, this is exactly this is exactly what I'm talking about. Now, let's look. Bitcoin dominates rise once again. The rise follows a week of headline by Ethereum surge to a new all-time high. A mild correction has given the leading coin the opportunity to take center stage once again. Now, what that mean? Bitcoin price surge comes just as days after the MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor hosted Bitcoin for corporations. People, once corporations is getting in it, and let's just say if they put 5% of their portfolio, Bitcoin will hit 70,000. It will hit 70,000. Now, MicroStrategy has purchased in excess of 1.3 billion in Bitcoins. The current sentiment towards the coin among corporations appears to be gaining attention. You know, it's gaining attention. Yes, it's gaining attention. So that's why I'm doing this video. I'm recording this video. That's why I'm recording this video. MicroStrategy has purchased in excess of 1.3 billion. That's why I'm recording this video. Yes, new all-time high incoming. Impressive recovery to over 40,000 now means there is a potential for Bitcoin to break to the previous all-time high. The weekend pump is likely to retest the current all-time high. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay. So we're going to do now a price analysis. But before we do that, let's look at the coins. Today's top coins. We don't care about Dogecoin. Bitcoin, 43,875. It has surged just today 12%. I believe today alone, these next 2 days, it might surge 25%. I think we might be seeing the 50,000 price point. Ethereum is the third. We have Cardano. We have XRP, which leave alone. We have Polkadot. We have Binance. We have Litecoin. We have Chainlink. Now, we all know that I'm bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the DeFi space, which I talked about the DeFi space. If you don't know the DeFi space, I talked about Chainlink, I talked about Aave, I talked about Uniswap, I talked about Maker, I talked about Synthetic, I talked about Compound, I talked about UMA, I talked about ZRX, I talked about Loopring, I talked about Ren. We are in a nice space right now, people, in a nice space right now. If you haven't invested in cryptocurrency, it's time to do it. Let's do a technical analysis on Bitcoin. So let's go to Bitcoin. So here's a technical analysis. If we look at from the weekly perspective, you see that red line? Whew, that red line represented a hard resistance. So when we look from the daily, it was a hard resistance at 41,000. It pushed through. So that red line currently now is what I call a pink line, which is going to be a support. Can you believe that? So if we click from the hour perspective, this line right now is a support. 41,200 is a no, 42,000 is a support for Bitcoin. Can you believe it? It's popping. Now, I do see Bitcoin. Let's look at the weekly. I see Bitcoin hitting the 45,000 mark, 46,000 mark, and then eventually going to 60,000. Listen, we are in an amazing time. It's time to invest because I do see Bitcoin hitting 75,000 before the year end. Okay? Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and ring the bell. Ring your bell. The reason why is because these news are important and you want to get it when it's fresh so that you can take advantage of it. Okay? Now, I want you to do something for me. If you haven't comment about this video and subscribe and tell me of your thoughts about Bitcoin and the topics I talked about, which is Elon Musk, Tesla have invested 1.5 million into Bitcoin.